Hello, welcome to Wuxi Zhouxiang. This is our official account for our international customer. Let me introduce our welding robot workshop. This workshop is used for R&D, assembly, customer sample building, and demonstrations. Our products include standalone intelligent welding robots, ground rail intelligent welding robots, cantilever welding robots, gator welding robots, collaborative welding robots. Additionally, this workshop serves as a training center of operators and handles equipment packing and shipping. Our welding robots require no programming or manual teaching, and we offer free training and lifetime after-sales support. If you are interested, follow us for more details.